So, quick question for you. Do you ever feel like your products or your services speak to different types of your ideal customers and you're not always sure how to market to all of them effectively? Trying to craft messages that resonate with everyone can feel like you're stretching yourself thin, or worse, not fully connecting with anyone. So here's an interesting update for the product messaging playbooks, which is going to help you dial in your messaging and your strategy even further, even if you have multiple avatars for your products and services. Let me show you. We're going to come into our product playbooks in HeyLevi, and I'm going to create a new product here to show you exactly how this works. So I've created a fictitious product called Follower Foundations, which is all about helping small business owners grow their Instagram following. I've put the name in the top here. I've decided that it is a product, not a service. And I've also added here into the description a brief summary of what the product and course is about, and then a breakdown of what's in each module. And now here's the new addition. As you can see down here, it's pulled through Sam, one of my customer avatars. But over here, you can see that it's asking me for the number of different avatars. So you can choose up to 3 different avatars for this offer and product. So I'm going to choose 2 and click the Go button. Once it's done that, as you can see here, we now have 2 personas in the dropdown. We have Sam, the struggling juggler, and we have Alex, the aspiring innovator. If you click on either of these, the persona description will change. As with everything that HeyLevi produces, if you read through this description that it's provided for you and you feel that it just needs a little bit of tweaking, then of course you can do that. You could highlight keywords and ask the AI to make any kind of changes, or you can simply overwrite or add to this description. And within this description, as you can see here, we have the demographic background, we have the core motivators, we have the inner dialogue and decision-making process, and we have engagement strategies. So as you can see, it's a really deep dive on customer avatars. This isn't the surface stuff that you see in most cases. We've really gone deep into understanding all the psychological triggers, all the thoughts and feelings, desires, pain points that this avatar has around this problem. When you scoot down a little further, you can see that you can either enter a URL to scrape the features, benefits, and pain points, or you can enter them manually. So I've manually added in the pains, gains, and features. And then lastly, I have a competitor URL, which I'm going to add in here and then click this button called Create Advantage. It's going to identify my competitive strengths by knowing exactly which parts of my offer to highlight and how to handle any kind of sales objections. And here is what it found just a few seconds later. It's done a deep SWOT analysis. So strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Scooting down a little bit further, the competitor analysis. So the competitor positions itself as a provider of quick Instagram growth strategies tailored for smaller accounts. And it's even given me a customer perception. And lastly, here's a summary and competitive advantages for my business, Instagram Magic. So it's identified here that I can leverage my comprehensive user-friendly approach focused on holistic content management rather than simply increasing numbers. So that is an absolute gap in the market that I could put my stake in the ground with and really make a difference to the bottom line. And the last part here is it's now going to create my product positioning. So let's click that button and see what it does. So here's what it's produced for us. And there is so many gems in here. I'm just going to breeze through some of them. So the first thing I'm going to focus on here is the positioning and messaging. There was one part here that I absolutely loved. It details here who cares. So it's giving me my 2 avatars. I've got Sam and I've got Alex. And then it's even given me an attention grabber. Content strategy so organized, Marie Kondo would hire us. I love that. I absolutely love that. It is so on my brand voice as well. And it's also provided here an elevator pitch, a product brief, and a sales brief. So if you have an extended team that's selling your products for you, this is so super key to getting everybody on the same page, everybody in alignment. It's broken down exactly how to promote or sell this product to my different avatars. For the coffee shop owner, here's how you do it. For the freelance graphic designers, here's how you do it. So it's gone through exactly how to sell this product to my 2 avatars, the top 3 value points, and compelling statistics that can enhance the product's perceived value further. So as you can see now, we have a super deep, dialed in product playbook for our new offer of Follower Foundations. It has given us so much detail and specific strategy and implementation advice that we can use in our business or across our teams for how to attract our 2 ideal buyer personas into this offer. It has also provided a deep analysis of how we stack up against our competitors. competitors. And lastly, it has given us so much information regarding how to position this offer in the marketplace so we stand out, attract the right people, and build a cohesive marketing strategy plan across all of our team and all of our content. So if you're looking to promote anything new, whether that be a product or a service, or if you have existing products and services that perhaps need a little bit of love and TLC, come into HeyLevi, create a product playbook, and let it do all the marketing, positioning, and strategy for you. Have fun!